What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jack. So we're going to take a look at Matic as well as Ethereum. The Discord is free today for the next 24 hours. All chat rooms, basic access to the Discord is completely free. So it's the first link in the comments, in the bio. Tell your friends, come join the Discord, all right? So we're sitting at 66 cents. We're up 7.6 on the day. See market of 6.18 billion. 24-hour volume, 431 million. Let's hop into the chart. So a little bit tricky here for Matic. Right now we could be looking at a 1-2 and then pushing up in a wave 3. Looks like we have a nice little 5-wave impulse, so this could be the wave 1 of the wave 3. Push up in a wave 1, pull back 2, and then push up 3, 4, 5 to push you up to the 1.618 at 73 cents. Now this does also look like a 3-wave move. So from the low, the bears will be looking at this, the Elliott wave bears. Wave A, pull back in a B. The reason that I don't like this B is because it's a 5-wave impulse and then pushed up in a wave C. And basically what you'd be looking at is you're still within the wave 4 and you'll come down, you feel that way, create a lower low. It depends when we start to pull back. Did the alts bleed hard? Are they able to hold their own? So if we do start to pull back from here, that's not a promise. We can push higher. But your pullback zone, take a quick fib retracement from the bottom of 2. So your target zone to watch for a pullback, if this is a wave 1 up, pulling back in a wave 2, in between 63 cents and about 60 cents. So if we were to come down and lose the 0.786, then there is a possibility of coming down and filling that wick, but we'll see what happens. It depends how hard the alts bleed against Bitcoin and Ethereum when they decide to pull back. If we just continue to break out and push to the upside and, Matic shoots all the way up to 73 cents, then that's more confirmation of a bullish breakout. All right, gang, if we take a look at the 4-hour time frame, I dropped this in the Discord. I said if we break this down sloping trend line, watch this ascending triangle, and we've seen a beautiful breakout. The target is 69 cents. We'll take a quick look at the daily time frame. Yeah, so looks like we're going to push up into the 20 EMA. Let me just remove this quickly. So the 20 EMA will act as resistance. I talked about us being far away, broken from the EMAs, and we're likely to see a retest. So it's crucial. If we get rejected by them, then we can create a lower low. But if we can break back above the EMAs, the 20 EMA, and then get back above the 55, that's a strong signal of reversal. So we'll see. We'll see if we break 60 cents. And especially if we invalidate the low, if we come down and we lose 0.592, it'll invalidate that and we could fill the wick. But if we pull back or we see continuation up from here, we pull back, we bounce, and we head for that wave 3 target, that will be confirmation. We come up, we break these highs, that we are going to see continuation to the upside for our friend Matic. Ethereum looking really strong, pushing up in our wave 3. Now we have met the minimum target at the 1 extension, so it can turn over at any time. The normal target is the 1.618 at 1946. But this is quite the impulse, so if we do start to pull back, then you'll be looking for the wave 4 pullback before pushing up in one more wave in a 5. We'll have to see if we push higher here or if we begin to pull back for ETH. Beautiful bounce off this inverse head and shoulders that we retested. We talked about this bottoming tail candle and how it signals reversal in the trend, and that's exactly what we're seeing right now, just as we did right here. I would have preferred to see it close green, but as you can see, the bulls have stepped in to push up the price. So now we need to hold the weekly EMAs. We push back above them. So if we do pull back, it's crucial we hold those weekly EMAs if we are going to see continuation to the upside. As you can see here, beautiful retest of this inverse head and shoulders, and we've seen a large bounce back above the daily EMAs. Watch those as well. If we can hold the bullish cross, that's a sign of strength. All right, gang, that's what we're looking at for Matic and Ethereum. We are currently in an Ethereum trade right now, as well as Bitcoin, Sand, and Gala. They're all doing well. As I mentioned, basic access to the Discord is completely free for the next 24 hours. Joining the top link. If you want a 30-day free trial to my signals and analysis, sign up to Bitget or Bybit, make your first deposit. Takes 2 minutes. Email me your sign-up email, and I will give you a 30-day free trial to my signals analysis, crypto news, member profits, how to all place Forex signals and analysis. Otherwise, if you want direct access, it's only $10 a month. Sign up to the Patreon link and click the link in the comments for free access to all chat rooms. This will stay live for the next 24 hours. It will be completely free. So click that top link in the comments. Come join the Discord. See what's what. See how you like it. Smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm. And I'll see you in the next video. Much love. Take care.